Hi guys, I'm sorry that I'm making this video today and that it's not a Vlogmas video. I'm actually really sorry, but I have laryngitis, as you guys can hear. So it's physically impossible for me to vlog today because I just can't talk. Instead I'm going for breakfast with my boyfriend and I just won't be able to vlog today. I am so sorry because I know Vlogmas just started and you were expecting a vlog today and I just can't talk. I've been sick for the last like 4 days and now it's like turned into laryngitis, so I can't apologise enough. But what I will do is, if I can on certain days, I'll upload 2 like videos, maybe like if it's a beauty video or something like that. It's just impossible for me to vlog today because it hurts to talk. So I'm really sorry about that, but we will get you all sorted with vlogs soon, and I just hope that everything goes to plan for the rest of Vlogmas. I just can't believe this is happening because it's just Murphy's Law that this would happen, that I lose my voice on Vlogmas. But hopefully it's only for a day or 2 and we'll get sorted. I'll talk to you soon.